Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, these lines, sure, they still pertain to the charts, or they're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere, which leads to clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the newest areas of support and the ideal level of support going forward would be this pink line right here, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. And even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it. And that's exactly what happened here. A great example that you could throw right into a textbook of the 200 period acting as an area of support. Now, don't get me wrong, though. In the event the price falls below that pink line, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that, but just saying that, preferably speaking, if the price can continue to hold above it like it's been doing, that would be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, yet highly effective method to judge the health of the move. That right there being quantified as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that the 200 period, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, initial level right here at the $2.10 mark, if the price can push up through there. The next level is just simply where the party stopped today during that first 30 minutes, and that was up at $2.25. All in all, though, anyway, look at the chart. Very nice movement today, good solid volume. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.